The governor of Florida fired him before the ink was dry. Michael Allen Caruso, Palm Beach County's clerk of the circuit court, booked August 18th on 5 felony counts. His accuser, a relative, is a child under 12. He was held without bond. The charges, read straight from the arrest warrant: kidnapping, lewd or lascivious molestation, lewd or lascivious exhibition, luring or enticing a child, and child abuse causing mental injury. All alleged, all pending his day in court. Florida's governor moved fast. Executive Order 26-170. Filed with the state at 9:21 in the morning, less than a day after the arrest. Suspended from office, effective immediately, and the order does more than send him home. It bars him from performing any official duty and from taking any pay. Every state agency is directed to assist with the immediate transition out of the office. Every arrest begins with an affidavit. This one, from a special agent with the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. 12 pages of sworn allegations. Page by page, that's where the state's case starts. The clerk's office answers to the people. Caruso wasn't elected to it, he was appointed. Governor DeSantis handed him the post in January 2025 after Caruso hit term limits in the state house. 6 years legislator, then the county's top records keeper. In a twist that surfaced this week, WPBF reports an accusation involving Caruso existed even before the governor appointed him. That screening question is now going to get louder. Back to the warrant. The agent swears out the allegations in numbered paragraphs, each tied to a Florida statute. The pattern is the same across every count: conduct toward one child under 12. Paragraph 22 is the one that stands out. The state says the child suffered mental injury and is in psychological care. That detail is what supports the 5th count on the sheet. A circuit judge in the 9th Judicial Circuit signed the warrant. That's why a Palm Beach official is processed in Orange County. Judges don't explain their rulings on booking sheets, but the signature block is public record. The warrant itself, captioned and all. Warrant for arrest, State of Florida versus Michael Allen Caruso. 5 counts. No bond endorsed. A judge's signature makes it law. This one came from the 9th Circuit bench, sworn before an Aventura police sergeant and signed by the agent who built the case. Now the part that made this story national. In 2023, as a state representative, Caruso cast a vote on this very chamber floor. 95-19. He voted yes. The bill expanded Florida's capital punishment law to include sexual battery of a child under 12. The man who voted for it is now charged in a case where the victim is under 12. Prosecutors have not filed a capital count. The law he championed is the one on the books. The irony writes itself, so we'll say it plainly. He strengthened the statute. Then he got charged in its shadow. Whether prosecutors ever invoke it is a decision for them and only them. Where it stands today, the clerk's office is under new interim leadership. Joe Abruzzo, a familiar name in Palm Beach politics, takes over. Caruso remains in custody, no bond. What happens next is written into the system he once helped write. Arraignment ahead, court dates ahead, a defense ahead, and a child, under 12, waiting on the process his accused relative once voted to make as severe as Florida law allows. If you believe officials should be held to the laws they pass, subscribe. New accountability stories daily. Look for our group on Facebook and help build a community.